Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to do an unboxing of Firebolt Snap smartwatch, guys. Actually, what is the special thing in this watch means they are providing a camera, guys. Actually, there is an inbuilt camera is there in this watch. Even you can use that camera for video calling purpose, or if you need to take selfie photos means you can take by using this watch itself, guys, because in this watch there is a camera is there, inbuilt camera is there, guys. Okay, I have purchased this watch from official Firebolt website, guys. The watch prices around 6,000 rupees. It's exactly I need to tell means it's prices 5,999 rupees in Indian rupee, plus 150 rupees they are giving a discount. If you are using a debit or credit card means 150 rupees you will get a discount. Okay, let's first I need to remove this tape. Come on, we'll unbox it. Okay, I'm removing this tape. Yeah, come on, it's bit very elastic. Yeah, very spongy. Okay, finally I'm going to remove this. I'm just eagerly waiting to see this watch because I think this is the first watch since the camera is there. Let's go on. Okay, this is the bill. I can see. Just a minute. You can see is the bill amount, the 5,850 rupees, because 150 rupees discount for using the debit or credit card transaction. They will give a 150 rupees discount if you're using a debit or credit card means for doing the transaction. Okay, here you can see, guys, this is the Firebolt Snap smartwatch. Actually, there is a two variant is there. One is 2 GB RAM and 16 GB ROM, and another one is 4 GB RAM variant is also there, guys. And in this watch there's a 4G SIM card slot is there. You can use a 4G SIM card slot, and you can see there's a selfie, video call, all kind of things will get support. And here's the GPS. There's an inbuilt GPS is there. And this, and another one special thing is there's a Google Play Store is there, guys. Actually there's some kind of Android OS running in this smartwatch. Actually you can see the Clarity X camera. Here's the camera. Yeah, just I forgot to tell this, the screen is AMOLED screen, guys. 2.13 inch AMOLED screen they are providing from Firebolt side. Actually box is very superb, guys. The design is very superb. It's very small and compact. Yeah, okay, it's now time to remove this. Okay, because I am very eagerly waiting to see this camera actually. So come on. Okay, I removed this cover. Actually I need to remove this too. You can see there again, do not accept if the seal is broken means. Okay, seal is there. Okay, guys, finally I removed that tape. Okay, guys, it's time to unbox. 3 2 1. Yeah, you can see, welcome to the Android verse. Okay, it's good. Snap and connect in style, featuring expansive 2.13 inch AMOLED display. Yeah, it's good. 2MP camera. Okay, they are providing in this smartwatch. Actually the design is very superb, guys. It looks very premium actually. The watch box design, actually I'm saying it's good. Okay, it's now time to take this watch out. Okay, here they have given some cushion. Actually you can see it just looks like a pillow, actually small pillow. That's good. You can use this like this. Here we need to insert this cushion inside this. Okay, it's good. You can see guys, I have purchased this color. There is a lot of colors were there guys for this strap color I'm saying. Okay, so I need to take this out. Okay, before coming to the camera, let's see what the accessories they are given. You can see they're printed as accessories. Just take this out, accessories box. Actually, okay, there's nothing inside this. Just open this out. Okay, first thing generally, user manual. This is the same general thing. User manual they are given, and do not use a fast charger adapter. Okay, just note this thing guys. Can use 3.7 volt to 5 volt adapter only. Don't use a fast charger. Okay, this is the user manual guys. Just keep it aside. And second thing, okay, actually Firebolt will provide this in every smartwatch since this Bolt Play app and all cards. You can see again some congratulations, you won the executive Bolt Play membership. Good. Okay, charge the watch for 60 minutes before use. Yeah, sure. Just note this two guys. Okay, what is this card? Firebolt. Yeah, globally a second smartwatch brand. It's good. Okay, I need to register warranty. You want a movie ticket? Super. Yeah. Okay. Okay guys, let's keep this side. Let's come back to our watch. Yeah, so I need to remove this strap actually first. Yeah, come on. Yeah, they can. Actually the watch is bit bulky. Actually you can see the watch is somewhat bit bulky because they have provided some camera and all here, so only it seems the strap color is also good. Good. Okay, let's remove this sticker. See, okay, come on. You can see it looks very glossy actually. Okay guys, it's time to turn it on. Where is the power button? Okay, seems this. Yeah, there's the power button. But what is this button? It seems we can take a snap. I think this I need to see why they are using this button. Where is the user manual? Here you can see switch button, camera and function key. Okay, my doubt is now got cleared. You can see the MS Dhoni photo for picture. Just open this out. Wow, this looks pretty good actually. You can see the UI is also bit got changed guys, because in previous Firebolt smartwatch I have purchased, I think previous watches wrist phone. I think the model name is Dream wrist phone smartwatch. The UI is somewhat bit different in that. Now here you can see this UI is somewhat got different while comparing to the previous watch. Both the UIs were different actually. Okay, this looks pretty clean too. Okay, here's the Play Store is there guys actually. Yeah, here you can see the camera app is there. Now it's time to open it out. Come on. Okay guys, let's come on. It's time to open the camera. Wow guys, actually the clarity is very super guys. Actually I'm taking video, putting his here like this. Yeah, you can see here's the clarity. You can see the clarity is very super guys. Actually the back side of me there's a tube light is there. It's somewhat bit glossy, it's only bit somewhat glary. You can see, but clarity is very super guys. Hello. Yeah, clarity is very awesome guys. Just I will make the separate video, guys, about the camera performance. Just I will take a selfie photos in daylight, in indoor, in night times. Just okay, let's I will make a separate video about this camera performance of the smartwatch. But here you can see the clarity is very superb, guys. You can see 2 MP camera is very superb. It's good. You can click image too. If you click this means it will capture the image. Okay, let's come back. Okay, guys. Okay, this all the general thing. Yeah, it's related to fitness purpose, clock, contact, process, settings. Yeah, this settings here is same. Actually, the previous Firebolt smartwatch UI setting UI and this UI is somewhat bit same. It's good. And guys, there's a Wi-Fi support is also there in this smartwatch. You can connect Wi-Fi to. Mobile data is also there, but currently I have not yet inserted a SIM card. Here's the SIM card slot is there, guys. It's good. Okay. And guys, I forgot to show you one thing. What means inside this box there's a charging cable is there. You can see. Just I forgot to show you this thing. Yeah. Okay, you can see there's a charging cable, input and output what they are given. Okay, just normal micro USB port, and the another side we need to keep this watch like this, it seems. Yeah, no, yeah, like this. You can see it got fitted. Actually there's a magnetism. It's good. Actually this charger, this wireless charging pad size is also somewhat bit bulky, but it looks very nice. The design is very cool actually. So I need to keep this. Just a minute. Yeah, it's got connected. Okay, it looks okay, good. Okay guys, regarding this video, that's all. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're having any doubts or queries, just ask in the comment section. Definitely I will reply. And please do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos, guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.